like I say, if I get just a little bit on the stucco, I'm going to be retouching up the stucco, and I even have some stucco paint, matching paint. The last owner was kind enough to leave it here. Wasn't that nice of him? Thank you, Mr. Previous owner. I like that. That you did that for us. Appreciate it very much. Thank you very much. And I already tried it on a little bit area of stucco, and it blends right in. Can you imagine? Right in. Okay. All right, you get the idea. Okay. I just wanted you to see the tools that I was using and how I was going about that. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and paint the rest of this and show you what it looks like when I'm done. Done. Da da da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yep, there you go. Okay, now that is just one coat, and I've got maybe this much paint left from there down. And after I got all that done, I thought, hey, I'll just rub the sides down with my little paintbrush, because I wasn't sure if that was going to slide down or not, and I did, and I got quite a bit extra down in there, and I think I have enough to put a second coat on here. I was planning on putting a second coat, but I think I'll just put the second coat on the treads, the stair treads, just the stairs that I didn't do. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stair treads, maybe a couple edges where I scraped off some of the loose stuff, you know, right in there, right up there, just to build that up. And this already had paint. Those other areas already had paint on them, so I'm not going to do that, but I'll do that one edge, that one right there. I'll do that too, because that was raw. Okay, so and it's not going to take that long to dry. In fact, look, these are already dry. I just finished these bottom ones, so I know that one's slightly wet. These two are slightly wet, so I could probably step over the first two and get up there. By the time I work down, these last two obviously will be dry, or I can just sit here and wait for a few minutes. But I'm going to start from the top there and work on down again. It's not going to take me that long to put a second coat on, and I believe I've got plenty of paint left. Okay, well, that's my next step. Just don't overthink it. One thing at a time, okay? And you can do it. How does that look? Well, it's only about 15-20 minutes since I talked to you last. It didn't take me that long. It really didn't take that much paint. I put almost all of the paint in this container, and I had to pour back 3/4 of it. I still have about that much of paint. You see there? Look at that. So the second coat, it doesn't take as much on the second coat as you would normally think. It really goes on good, and because of that, I went ahead and did all of the edges and all the risers again. You know, the ones that I just had painted. Okay, so I've got it all done Now I should have brought my cardboard down here at the bottom. I had the cardboard, I thought it was slick. I had the cardboard up there to mix the paint. Then I should have carried it down to the bottom and put it down here. Because I got a little bit, I stepped on this last step and it wasn't dry all the way. As I was coming down, I thought it would be plenty dry, but I was so quick with everything. By the time I got down here, I stepped on it and I thought, dabbity nabbit. I got on the edge of my shoe and everything, but look at this. I'm going to end up throwing these shoes away here when this job is done. So I just have to clean up a little bit on here. It's paint, it's water cleanup, so it'll be fine. Now I've got to let this dry and we'll get ready for the next step. Oh yeah. Well, do you know what the next step is? Yeah, I'm going to put my Durham's Rock Hard Water Putty on next. That way it'll, get all of the low spots and all the cracks and everything. I went ahead and put paint in there, and then I'll go ahead and put my construction adhesive just in these two cracks here. But I thought it was odd. You see that? Look, that's where the screws holes were from the last guys. And look along here. They didn't finish any of those, did they? 17 years ago, they put this in. They didn't even have enough sense to go ahead and patch those before they painted. Now, granted, it was a dark green. You couldn't really see it. But all of those holes have a tendency to get water in them as it drips down, and you could rust out the screws, and it just looks unsightly. Okay, so I know I'm going to have to do that and see up underneath the edges. You can see how big the gap is between the riser and the 4x12. See that? We can't have that. Okay? We've got to caulk all of that stuff. I don't want any water coming down. When the water comes down these steps, as it comes down, it doesn't necessarily drip right off. It could run on the back side of this a little bit, depending how the water's coming down. It could splatter. Big heavy raindrops could splatter, come up and get up in there. You get the moisture, you also get water, and you just get the moisture in the air going in there, and then it settles underneath the stairs and on the stair stringers and everything else. You saw the mold that was down there from before. There's another reason how some of the mold got in there. Plus, with all of the joints down over here, they didn't caulk this very well, did they? I ended up having to clean it all out. And I clean this all. I'm going to have to end up caulking all that too. These steps are going to be really good when we get done. So you just keep watching and you'll see there's another good reason why I'm going to put the rock hard water putty down. And you'll see that if you keep watching my videos. Thank you, Mr. Zinzer, for killing the rest of my mold. Anything on those old steps before I do anything else. I've got 2 coats of primer on there now, and no mold for me. I feel good. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. I decided to let this dry all the way and cure before I do the next step. And the sun's on the other side of the house now. It doesn't stay sunny over here, and it's getting a little chilly, and it's just a good time to stop what I'm doing before the next step. And what is the next step? That's right, Durham's Rock Hard Water Putty. I'm gonna put that over that tomorrow. It's supposed to be nice and sunny tomorrow. And there's a couple different reasons why I'm going to do that before painting these steps. And I'll tell you that. All about that next time. See you then.